Okay, so for the last 10 years or so, something weird really happens in this car whenever we drive through a certain part of Castleton. At first we thought somebody planted some kind of a recording of a cat meowing in our car. I know how weird that sounds, but we've searched the car. There's no recording device. So no one's playing a prank. But whenever we drive by this certain spot, you can hear this definite meowing sound. So we're approaching the certain spot here. We get it on Main Street coming in here, or Langer coming in, and then we also get it on the east side of town too. But we're approaching the same spot. Let's see if we can hear it. It's right by the fire station, so let's see if we can hear it. I don't know if you heard that or not, if it was loud enough, but the radio is off, and there's I don't know, just to prove I'm not nuts. So if you know what that is, please let me know what in the world is causing that sound, because I'm clueless. I have no idea what that is.